for the best dinosaur scare ever. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
R-O-R!
I'm a dinosaur! Ah! Oliver, that's not funny. You really scared me, Oliver. Oh. I didn't mean to scare you that much.
Who's ready for the garden pool today? Come on down.
I forgot all about that. Ah! Ah!
Let's get this pool set up properly. There, nice and secure, just like that.
Honey, can you come here?
Coming. 1 minute. I need to take this call.
Summit would have saved that. Child, wait. I can fill the pool while we wait. More water means faster filling. That doesn't look right at all. It's everywhere! Help, somebody! Ah! Oliver, you're getting soaked.
Oh my goodness! What happened here?
Hold on, I'm turning it off. There we go. All under control now.
Whoa! Well, that was quite a surprise. You look like a wet dinosaur now. A wet dinosaur. That's actually funny.
Too much water pressure, pop the connector.
I should have waited for you, Dad.
No harm done. Just a splashy lesson.
I still owe Lily a proper sorry, too. I'm sorry I scared you this morning, Lily. It's okay. You already got soaked back.
Watch closely. Gentle and steady, always. That's it, you've got it. Perfect, you did it.
Slow and steady really does work better.
It's finally ready. Let's get in.
Cannonball! Help! Here we go.
Room for 2 more in here. You'll never get me dry again.
This turned into a perfect day after all.
Look at that cloud.
Whoa!
Yeah. Next time, less scaring and less rushing. And more pool days like this one.
What a wonderfully wet, wonderful day.
Whoa!
Just perfect.
Best surprising day of the whole summer.
Sorry for the scare, Lily. Love you.
I love you too, Oliver.
And so, Oliver learned that a little care goes a long way.